So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Kristen Putti and I'm all about everything and anything. And today is all about everything relating to my birthday. Okay, so girl is turning 27 this year, and yeah, I'm 3 years away to 30, and it's so weird. So right now I'm just waiting for my mom. Then we're going to the mall to buy a few things, like that. Hopefully it's gonna be like probably the part of us going to the mall will be already uploaded, and then the birthday part and the Easter thing will be coming after, because your girl is doing too many things at the same time, y'all. I am so not organized. I'm definitely not organized. So mind you, I'm just waiting for my mom. Then we're gonna pass by church, then go to the mall, then yeah. But I'm pretty much on this video where you see me saying this, I'll probably be showing you our Easter lunch, then my birthday with my family and all that, then the photo shoot that I did by myself. I'm trying to boost my skills. So we're gonna show you all my pictures, my videos that I uploaded for my birthday, and then yeah, I'm more likely not to include the people in my videos, because I feel like when I include people in my videos, it's none. YouTube for me is my digital diary, so it's all about me. Only me. Hopefully, maybe in the future I might include people, but right now it's all about my girl. And then yeah.
Observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are, and who we are. We are. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. I had the time to run to you, not put your life. I never wrong you twice. I wanna make things right. Maybe you'll take me. Hope you don't hate me. Don't want to fight anymore. Daytimes are silent as hell. I wish that I could know all that you said. If you can't find the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder is the only peace we'll find gonna be when you tell me. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you. Don't think you care about me. Oh girl, I care about you, but you don't care about nobody.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hopeless, not